In this video, we're going to see how to create tax rates in Search Accounting 100. So we get to structure, undertake, tax rates. This empty box is going to appear. You either right click and add new element, or you use the shortcut Ctrl J. So they are very essential and important things one needs to take into consideration when creating tax rates, which are the first element being the tax deductible and tax collected. Tax deductible, it is tax, or let me say VAT, on purchases, while VAT collected is VAT on sales. So if you are creating a tax code which will be used for purchases, you choose here undersigned deductible. If it's for sales, if it's a tax rate which is going to be applied on sales, here you are going to choose collected. The next most important thing to take into consideration is the tax account. The tax account which is being created in the chart of account. For every tax code which is being created, every tax code which is being created has a corresponding tax account, which is just a normal account created in the chart of account from our accounting plan. So before you arrive here, you must have created the account number which will be used in the tax rate account. The next element is the base of calculation, the general account concerned for the particular tax in question. This is where they notify it, meaning if you are creating the tax code for purchases, on which account or on which value should the particular percentage apply on, in order for us to have a tax amount. So if we are dealing with deductible which represents VAT on purchases, it means that our general account is gonna be the account number for purchases. If it is sales, we're going to have the account number for sales. So let's get started. We're going to create a tax code. For example, I'll call it VT1. For now, I'm creating VAT deductible, which is VAT recoverable on purchases. So I'm going to give the name of the VAT, I will say VAT on purchase. And I already created the account number for VAT on purchase. So I'm going to take 4451, and I'll put the rate. Let me put 19.25. So I'm not going to put percent because it is already in percentage. It's going to calculate based on this percentage which is written here. And on what should this tax account apply on? So it's on purchase, so I'll choose the account number for purchase at 19.25. When I choose the account number, I press the key enter for it to actually enter in the list. There can be many accounts, general accounts, on which this VT1 should apply on. So you can always add them here. You select, then you press enter. So that is it for VAT recoverable on purchases. So when you are done, you can close it down and it has been saved. You can add another one. We're going to call it VD2, and in this case I want to create VAT on sales, which is VAT collected. So I'm going to put the name, then year obviously. So have to choose the tax account we are going to take, VAT invoiced, and put the percentage, or let me see the rate. Then from here we choose the account on which the tax is going to be applied. So here I'm going to choose 701, which is sales of goods. Then I press enter, and I can add any other account which is being related to this tax rate on sales. So when you're done, you close, and you can see all the different tax rates that you will create are going to appear in this list.